You do anything fun Saturday night?
Well, all the guys in my barbershop quartet are dead, so no, not really.
You know, if you ask Kristen out from statistics, she'd probably say yes.
That's why I don't ask.
Too shy?
Too busy.
Was he wearing a parachute?
No. No, he wasn't.
I joined S.H.I.E.L.D. to protect people.
Captain, to build a better world, sometimes means tearing the old one down. And that makes enemies.
Most of the intelligence community doesn't believe he exists. The ones that do call him the Winter Soldier.
He's fast, strong, had a metal arm.
Are you ready? All it takes is one step.
People are gonna die. I can't let that happen.
When do we start?
We just did. The price of freedom is high. And it's a price I'm willing to pay. He told me not to trust anyone. This is how it ends. Everything goes.
Looks like you're giving the orders now, Captain.
Damn right.
How do we know the good guys from the bad guys?
If they're shooting at you, they're bad.
Underoos!
Hey, everyone. I get to keep the suit?
Of course. Doesn't fit me. Just don't do anything I would do. And definitely don't do anything I wouldn't do. There's a little gray area in there, and that's where you operate.
What's up, guys? Wait a minute. You want the real Avengers?
But this does not mean you're an Avenger, in case you were wondering.
Oh.
That's not a hug. I'm just grabbing the door for you.
Oh,
All right, kid.
good luck out there.
The world's changing, boys. Time we change too.
Listen, Peter, forget the flying monster guy. There are people who handle this sort of thing.
I'm so sick of him treating me like a kid.
But you are a kid.
This is my chance to prove myself.
Don't mess with me. Because I will kill you and everybody you love.
Keep this focused on us and that's the
got Stark up top.
I just did 80% of your job. Huh? That's how you pay me? Put it down. I'll worse.
I've seen worse.
Sorry.
No, we could use a little worse.
Stark, we got him.
Bring the party to you.
I don't see how that's a part of it.
Well, we got his attention. What the hell was step 2?
We got this. It's good, good.
You think you can hold him off?
Well, hey.
Still our way through the nebula now. Can you imagine what we'll find?
Alien despots hell-bent on killing us. Deadly space-borne viruses and bacteria. Incomprehensible cosmic anomalies that could wipe us out in an instant.
It's gonna be so much fun.
By the way, where are we going? I thought we were going to get a drink. I know you told me to keep it under wraps, but...
Mr. Sensen?
Thanks, Scotty. Everybody, raise a glass to Captain James Tinker.
Thanks, everybody. To the Enterprise. And to absent friends.
Cheers. All right, let's get this party started.
Rock and roll.